Although she's dressed to the night, ATC said 7's with you. I had to let happen, I have to change. Couldn't say all my life down at here, looking out as the window, staring off to the sun. So I choose freedom, run around, trying everything, but nothing impressed me at all. I never explained the truth. Don't cry for me, Argentina. The truth is I never left you. All through my white days, my many sentence, I keep my promise. Don't keep your distance. And as for truth, and as for free, I never invite me. Though I seem to the world they all had deserved. They are illusions, they are not the solutions they promised to be. The answer was here all the time. I love you and hope you love me. Don't cry for me, Argentina. Have I said too much? There's nothing more I can think of to say to you. But all you have to do is look at me to know.